What if I told you that you could own a beautiful log cabin for less than the price of a new truck? I'm talking real wood, real craftsmanship, and real savings. Forget what you think you know about affordable housing. These 10 prefab log cabins are shipping nationwide right now, and some of them start at just $54,000. No, this isn't a scam. By the end of this video, you'll see exactly how Americans are finally beating the housing crisis. Stick around because number 7 is an absolute game changer. Cabin number 1, the Backyard Bungalow Studio. We'll start with the smallest option on this list. This is the Backyard Bungalow Studio at 154 square feet. And before you dismiss it based on size alone, let's talk about what makes it practical. This cabin measures 11 feet 10 inches by 17 feet 4 inches. That footprint is intentional because it helps navigate zoning restrictions in many suburban areas. The construction is Amish-built, which typically means solid joinery and attention to detail. The current price is $54,000. For that, you're getting a fully engineered structure that meets building codes and can be delivered across the United States. The use cases are fairly straightforward. Some people use these as home offices, which allows for tax deductions if you run a business. Others list them on short-term rental platforms. At 154 square feet, you're limited in how you can use the space, but that's also what keeps the price manageable. The structure works for properties where you need auxiliary space without building a full addition. It's worth noting that you'll still need to prepare a foundation and handle utility connections, which aren't included in the purchase price. Cabin number 2, Little Debbie Cabin. Moving up the ladder, let me introduce you to the Little Debbie Cabin, and despite the sweet name, this thing is seriously practical. This is what I call the starter home done right. We're looking at a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom cabin that measures 15 feet by 36 feet, giving you 443 square feet of actual living space. But wait, there's more. You also get a 6 by 15 foot covered porch, which brings the total footprint to just under 600 square feet when you include outdoor living space. The Little Debbie Cabin gives you more room to work with. This is a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom layout, measuring 15 feet by 36 feet, which translates to 443 square feet of interior space. There's also a 6 by 15 foot covered porch. The price is $91,900. Let's look at what that includes. You're getting a modular cabin that's been engineered to meet state building codes, which simplifies the permitting process. The metal roof carries a 40-year limited warranty. For context, traditional asphalt roofs typically need replacement every 15 to 25 years. So, the longevity is worth considering. The interior uses knotty pine paneling that's been sealed and sanded. The HVAC is ductless with separate units for the great room and bedroom, which gives you zone control over heating and cooling. The kitchen comes with rough-cut cabinetry and you can select your finish. Flooring is waterproof vinyl throughout, which handles moisture better than hardwood or carpet. All light fixtures and plumbing fixtures are pre-installed, and the electrical and plumbing systems are ready for connection to your utilities. This cabin works as a starter home, a property for aging family members, or a rental unit. The size is manageable for maintenance while still providing separated living and sleeping areas. Cabin number 3, El Poco Loco. El Poco Loco offers 480 square feet in a 12 by 40 foot layout. This is another 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom configuration, priced at $69,900. The narrower 12-foot width has practical implications. If your property has limited road access or tight turns, the dimensions make delivery more feasible. Some lots simply can't accommodate wider structures, so this becomes the viable option. The specifications are similar to the Little Debbie: knotty pine interior, ductless HVAC, waterproof flooring, and pre-installed fixtures. The price difference comes down to the overall square footage and configuration. This cabin suits situations where you need separate living quarters on existing property, whether that's for family members, as a rental unit, or as your primary dwelling while building something larger. The cabin provides the essential functions without excess space. And number 4, Prefab Modular Duplex. The Prefab Modular Duplex is a different approach entirely. At 24 feet 9 inches by 42 feet 3 inches, you get 792 square feet divided into 2 separate units. Each unit can accommodate up to 3 people. The price is $179,900. The economics here are worth examining. You're essentially purchasing 2 small cabins in one structure. If you're considering rental income, you can operate both units independently. In vacation markets, dual occupancy means you're not limited to one booking at a time. Even in long-term rental scenarios, you could occupy one unit while renting the other, offsetting your housing costs. Each unit has separate entrances and utilities, so tenants or guests have complete privacy. The design makes sense for resort properties, family compounds, or investment situations where you want rental income potential. The construction quality matches the other cabins in the line: Amish craftsmanship, durable materials, and thoughtful layout design. Cabin number 5, the Craftsman cabin. The Craftsman cabin steps up to 839 square feet with 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. The dimensions are 28 feet by 38 feet, and there's a 6 by 38 foot covered porch adding outdoor living space. The current price is $159,900. At this size, you're looking at a cabin that functions as a full-time residence for a small family or couple. 2 bedrooms mean you have space for children, guests, or a dedicated home office. 2 full bathrooms eliminate the morning traffic jam that comes with single-bathroom homes. The porch extends your usable space seasonally. Standard features include the 40-year metal roof, insulated vinyl windows, ductless HVAC in each room, knotty pine walls, and waterproof flooring. All fixtures come pre-installed. The Craftsman also offers customization options. You can add a reverse gable for aesthetic appeal, upgrade to log siding with pre-stacked log corners, or add a screened porch. These modifications increase the cost, but allow you to personalize the structure. This cabin works for first-time buyers, retirees looking to downsize, or anyone wanting to own rather than rent. The square footage is sufficient for daily living without being excessive. Cabin number 6, the Chattanooga cabin. The Chattanooga cabin introduces a 2-story design with 1,026 square feet. It measures 23 feet by 50 feet and includes 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and an 8 by 50 foot covered porch. The price is $225,900. The 2-story configuration changes the spatial dynamics considerably. The second floor sits above the bedroom and bathroom area, creating higher ceilings in the main living space. There's an exposed stairway and gable trapezoid windows that bring in natural light. The vertical design means you're getting more square footage without expanding the ground level footprint. The front porch is taller than single-story designs, which changes the exterior appearance significantly. If curb appeal matters for your situation, this is worth considering. There's an optional lean-to bump out that adds a 3rd bedroom, converting this into a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home with over 1,000 square feet. For comparison, finding similar square footage at this price point in most U.S. housing markets is increasingly difficult. The cabin includes the same quality components: 40-year metal roof, energy-efficient windows, ductless HVAC throughout, knotty pine interior, and pre-installed fixtures. Cabin number 7, the Cowboy Junior cabin, log kit version. The Cowboy Junior cabin represents a different category. This is a log cabin kit with 800 square feet in a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom layout. The 8x8-inch D-log version costs $95,900. The 10-inch round log version is $125,900. Here's the important distinction. This is not a turnkey cabin. You're purchasing a log package kit, which means you get the logs and materials for the structure, but you're responsible for the foundation, interior finishing, mechanical systems, and construction. The reasoning for choosing a kit comes down to 3 factors: material authenticity, customization control, and potential cost savings. For materials, you're getting actual logs from premium eastern white pine, milled in-house. The 8x8-inch D-logs, or 10-inch round logs, create a genuine log cabin aesthetic that differs from modular cabins with log siding. For customization, managing the finish out yourself means you control every interior decision: flooring, fixtures, layout modifications. You're not limited to predetermined options. For costs, if you have construction skills or connections to tradespeople, you can potentially complete the build for less than buying a comparable finished cabin. Labor represents a significant portion of construction costs, and self-managing or sourcing locally keeps those expenses lower. The Cowboy Junior works for weekend properties, guest houses, or rental units. The single-level design eliminates stairs. Delivery is available nationwide and internationally. Production takes 16 to 18 weeks, potentially longer during busy seasons. Cabin number 8, the Dreamy Fields Cabin Log Kit version. Number 8 takes everything we just talked about with the Cowboy Junior and supersizes it. This is the Dreamy Fields cabin, another log cabin kit that delivers serious square footage and serious impact. We're looking at 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and 1,581 square feet of living space. The price for the 8x8-inch D-Log version is $126,900. For the 10-inch round log version, you're at $137,900. Let that sink in for a moment. You're getting a 3-bedroom, 2-bath log home kit with over 1,500 square feet for roughly the same price as a new mid-size SUV. That's absolutely insane when you consider what traditional home construction costs right now. The Dreamy Fields features an open-concept great room that seamlessly connects the living area, kitchen, and dining space. This is perfect for entertaining, family living, or just enjoying that log cabin lifestyle you've been dreaming about. The primary suite includes a full ensuite bathroom, which is a game changer for resale value and daily living comfort. 2 additional bedrooms share a second full bath, making this cabin ideal for families, vacation properties, or even short-term rental operations in popular mountain or lake destinations. Just like the Cowboy Junior, you're getting premium eastern white pine logs milled in-house. The quality control is exceptional because they're handling everything from tree to finished log in their own facilities. You're not getting mass-produced components shipped from overseas. You're getting American craftsmanship from Midwest factories. The same caveats apply. This is a log package kit, not a turnkey cabin. You need a foundation, you need to manage the build-out, and you need to coordinate all the trades. But for experienced builders or people willing to learn and work with contractors, the value proposition is extraordinary. Cabin number 9, the Foxtrot cabin, log kit version. Number 9 is the Foxtrot cabin, and this is where we see the sweet spot between size, price, and functionality for log cabin kits. The Foxtrot delivers 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and 1,581 square feet of thoughtfully designed space. The 8x8-inch D-Log version sells for $169,900, while the 10-inch round log version goes for $185,900. What makes the Foxtrot special is the open concept design that maximizes the feeling of space without wasting square footage. The great room flows naturally from living to kitchen to dining, creating an environment that's perfect for modern family life. The primary suite is positioned for privacy with its own ensuite bathroom. This isn't just a bedroom with a bathroom attached. This is a true owner's retreat where you can decompress after a long day. The 2 additional bedrooms are sized perfectly for kids, guests, or home offices. Here's why the Foxtrot makes sense for a lot of buyers. It's big enough to be a legitimate full-time home, but small enough that you're not heating and cooling space you don't use. It's priced at a point where you can potentially finance it without needing a massive down payment. And it's designed in a way that works for vacation rental income if you decide to go that route. The log options give you control over the final aesthetic. The 8x8-inch D-Logs create a more refined Craftsman look. The 10-inch round logs give you that classic rugged log cabin appearance that photographs beautifully and commands premium rental rates in vacation markets. Production timeline remains 16 to 18 weeks, potentially longer during peak seasons. These cabins ship nationwide and internationally, and the team can connect you with builders familiar with log construction if you need that assistance. Cabin number 10, the Cameroon cabin, log kit version. Finally, we've reached number 10, and we're going out with a bang. This is the Cameroon cabin, and it's the largest, most impressive cabin on our entire list. This is a 2-story masterpiece featuring 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and 2,223 square feet of living space across 2 floors. The 8x8-inch D-Log version is priced at $196,900, while the 10-inch round log version goes for $217,900. Let me be very clear about something. This is not a cabin. This is a legitimate family home that happens to be built with log construction. This is the kind of property that becomes a legacy, something you pass down to your kids. The Cameroon signature feature is the dramatic prow front great room, designed to capture breathtaking views if you're lucky enough to have scenic property. Massive windows flood the interior with natural light, while a fireplace anchors the room, creating the perfect spot for family gatherings or entertaining guests. A large exterior deck extends your living space outdoors, giving you potentially another several hundred square feet for barbecues, morning coffee, or stargazing. This is how you make the most of beautiful land. The upper level features a spacious loft with a coffee bar. Yes, a coffee bar, along with 2 additional bedrooms and generous storage space. This flexible layout works for families, multi-generational living, or even home-based businesses that need office space. But here's where the Cameroon gets really interesting. The design includes an option for a finished basement layout, featuring 2 bonus bedrooms, an additional bathroom, and a full bar. If you go this route, you're looking at a 5-bedroom, 3.5-bath home with well over 3,000 square feet of finished space. This cabin is designed for properties with views, for families who want space, and for people who understand that log cabin living doesn't mean compromising on square footage or amenities. This is the crown jewel of log cabin kits, and at under $220,000 for the premium round log version, it represents extraordinary value. These are 10 prefab log cabins available for purchase now, ranging from $54,000 to $218,000, depending on size and specifications. The options cover different needs: small studios for auxiliary income, starter homes for young families, duplexes for rental strategies, mid-size family homes, and large log structures for properties with views. The prefab model makes these more accessible than traditional construction methods. Each cabin ships nationwide, so location isn't a limiting factor. Whether you choose turnkey modular cabins or log kits depends on your construction experience, budget flexibility, and customization preferences. The information I've covered gives you the specifications and pricing, but there are additional considerations around site preparation, permits, and ongoing costs that affect the total investment. I cover those details in another video that's linked on screen now, including common mistakes people make during the buying process. Check that out for the complete picture.